Hello traders, welcome back. Welcome on a Sunday Focus. I'm sorry for kind of being late, but there was an issue with the stream settings. It was planned for 3 p.m. but on YouTube it was showing 10 a.m. So I'm sorry for all of you that were waiting here in the morning. But no, I didn't drink yesterday and I wasn't late. I was just thinking that the stream starts at 3 p.m. but it was preset for 10 a.m. But anyway, I'm leaving for 2 days, so I won't be active tomorrow, neither on Tuesday. I'm turning off my phone and I won't be responding to any message that I will get. I just gotta reset my mind a little bit. So that's the reason why we are doing this Sunday Focus. Basically, like 4 hours in advance from the time that we usually do it, because we usually do 7 p.m. now it's 3 p.m. So that's the reason, if you were wondering. But anyway, standard Sunday Focus, we will go through the levels, we will go through the plan for the upcoming 5 days. I will show you my trades this week. I will also show you one brand new feature or brand new thing that I did, and you can all be checking out. And we can actually start with this. So let's start with this thing today. I want to be talking about one big step that I did last Friday. I got verified by MyFXBook. So now everyone can be checking my live Billions Club account here on MyFXBook. Simply said. So I will post a link to this to the chat. It's connected 24/7. If anyone is wondering what is MyFXBook, and we've been getting some questions that I'm showing like fake results and so on, MyFXBook is verifying the data basically between the MT4 and the broker. So if there is anything that seems like a shady or that seems like someone is manipulating the data, you won't get verified account. So this account is verified. It's basically the trades that I'm taking on live streams and basically how I'm trading this live account for last 11 weeks. And for all of you that are wondering why it shows that the account is demo, as it shows here, that's because all prop firm accounts are set to demo. It's not a live account, it's a demo. You are trading virtual money, then you are getting paid out. Prop firm can be copying these trades and using them in basically a book. So they are then trading live money, copying the trades you are taking on this demo account, but that's why it shows demo. Just to make it clear, as you can see, it's a power play trading, it's a MetaTrader 4 account. You can be checking my statistics. You can also see the USD value of the account. I will be hiding the USD value once I get back from the short vacation that I'm doing, because honestly, I don't want to be showing the USD gains, and I will never be showing the USD gains probably again, because simply I want to keep my privacy. I don't really want to be showing how much I'm making from trading. And since I'm, going out publicly, we are doing these events, like networking events, and people can meet me live and so on, I just feel the need to just show percentages. I feel a bit more secure. But anyway, we can start with today's TA. Let's start on EU this week. We will start from a daily time frame because it's been pretty interesting this week. I was taking a trade and I was planning to hold a trade on EU, targeting much higher from where we are right now, but it didn't play out. I closed the trade in around $500 profit. I think it's going to be visible on the MyFXBook. I think that if you go, it's brand new to me. I've never used the MyFXBook, but I got verified literally last Friday. I think if you go here to the trades and you go to history, then I'm talking about this trade right here. $388 profit. That's the trade that I was talking about. Yes. So that's about it. Basically, that was the position. What I was doing, or what I was looking for, is basically taking a trade approximately out of here, targeting the high that we got around here. So basically this block, this OB, was a very important level for me, and I was thinking or waiting that we will hit this level and we will get a retracement down, which was another trade that I was looking to take, but first trade was obviously just taking the long out of here to this box right here. Once again, it didn't play out, unfortunately, but that's just part of the game. What is happening here on EU chart is that currently we are still getting rejected by this 15-minute supply. It creates also plenty of liquidity above this level or around this level, because as you can see, we got these equal highs here, 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 here. So there's a plenty of liquidity sitting. One could say that this could be a good short, and I'm not really against it. The thing that is kind of against it here is that we swept the liquidity on Friday, right there. Basically, this low swept the liquidity. I didn't want to hold the trade over the weekend, and obviously I knew that I won't be active on Monday and Tuesday, so I said to myself, you know what, let's just get out of every single position that I have open on my account. Let's just stay on the sidelines. So my plan for you here is that I'll be waiting for tapping into this level, and you can potentially take a very aggressive short out of sweeping the liquidity from this high. But how, there is one specific candle formation that you need to get, or candle formation. It's not really candle formation, but it's just sweeping liquidity. From all of you that don't know how to use the liquidity, what I would personally do is I'll be looking for a candle that looks something like, or somehow like this. So basically you want to see the wick above the X line here, specifically like this. You want to see a wick above it and close below the line here. This could be a potential entry for you. If you look at a 4-hour time frame, the structure is still bearish. The likelihood of hitting this box is kind of high though, in my opinion. So it's not like the high probability trade. Also, there is a naked POC above the level that is likely to be tapped. So in my opinion, you have definitely more probabilities of price going into this upper gray box, and potentially out of here you can take a short position. If you are pulling a fib tool, then it's also lining up with a 618 and a 66. This is the 05. So you are basically getting into premium zone, but it's not the best level that you can be trading from. Open trades and open orders are set to private. Is there any bad sound? Only with me. I think the sound should be okay, but let me know. I can adjust the sound if it's really bad. Is it better now? I see what you are talking about. I think it should be better. Open trades and open orders are set to private. Yes, they are, and they will be set to private, because then obviously you could be copying my trades exactly, and I'm not a signal group, and I don't want to be doing signal trading. And if I will be, I have a paid group where I'm showing my trade setups in advance, so it wouldn't make any sense for me to basically go public with the set limit orders and with the open trades, obviously. So yeah, I know about this, and I will keep it private. So the plan on EU. Strong high. Can we consider this as a weak low? Yes. But the weak low is going to be this level right here. That's the current weak low. EU still bearish, a bit more likely in my opinion to go up here, take a short and potentially target lower. That would be my plan. Hopefully I will be back already when we will be hitting this level. I will be a bit upset if I'm going to miss this trade, to be honest. Daily time frame, that is kind of... This is the one thing that I don't really like about the EU, since we are hitting a very big support on a daily time frame. You want to analyze the chart from basically top down. So going from the top, from the daily time frame, I see a potential of flipping the trend, but it's really not the case unless we close above the strong high around this level right here. So if we close above the level, then yes, we are reclaiming the current structure, flipping the current structure, and we should be looking higher. Internal trend on EU is going to be this. This is going to be your internal high. This is going to be your internal low. This is the current trend that we are playing. Is it extremely important? Well, not really in my opinion. In this case, because once we reclaim the internal high here, then it's a very, very, very likely that we are coming into this box up here. There is not really anything in between, and even if you pull like a volume profile, just to get an idea where is the current volume sitting here. Let's pull it like this. The low volume starts around here. Okay, there is a POC. I think it's gonna go and fill this volume gap that is around here, but that's just my opinion. So that's about it. You can either look for a liquidity sweep above the highs and then potentially taking a short, or the second trade, the more high probability trade in my opinion, is waiting for this box up here. So that is about it about the EU. Is the mic better now? Guys, let me know if the mic is okay or if it still has some problem. Because if we still got some problems with the mic, still for me. Okay guys, give me 1 second. I will try to do one thing. Alright, it should be okay. Guys, let me please know if the sound is better now. Audio is really overboost, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, now it's good. Nope, it's still out. So I don't know, I'm a bit confused. For me, still too loud. Once again. Now it should be okay. Usually I have my video maker here, but today, since we are doing the stream a little bit earlier, I'm alone here in the studio, so it should be fine. Maybe use equalizer. No, we are using the Rodecaster. I think it should be okay. It should be much better now. Anyway, this is the plan for the EU. Let's continue on gold. On gold we got a bit more levels. So currently we hit this 15-minute supply absolutely perfectly, and we are getting rejected from it. The current demand that is holding the price is here. If we close below this level, then we are looking for kind of aggressive move down on gold chart, in my opinion. Internal low, this is going to be an internal high. So if the price closes below this level, we are definitely looking for week low, which is around 1913, potentially even lower. Guys, I feel like you are making fun of me because it was too loud. Now it's too low. Is it better? Is it like hearable? Can you hear me fine? now? If so, then let's continue TA. If not, then we are really, really sorry for the problems that we got today with the mic. Yeah, yes. So I hope that a yeah, yes means okay. It's okay. Yeah, the microphone is not perfect at all. It has a very, very aggressive pickup. I gotta admit that. Anyway, let's continue. Gold, in my opinion, is still a bit more bearish. After tapping the high here, I will be looking for a move down. I will be looking for a move lower. We got a few levels that are untested, and there is some chance that we're gonna test them. It really all depends on this level right here. If we can break through this level, then most likely we are going much lower, and we are talking about 1913 and lower. If you are talking or asking about the lowers that, or the levels that we got lower below the week low, 1910 is going to be the first stop. Most likely it's just a game of probabilities, you never know, but this could be the first stop. And then we are looking for 1902 and lower. 1902, potentially 1890 all the way down. As I said, I will be much more bearish on gold, and I think that you can be looking for a short trade all the way down here. I know it's a riskier setup, but it could be a potential trade in my opinion. From the naked POC perspective, do we have anything? 1926, this level could be also tested. Potentially we are looking all the way up here again. I don't want to be showing you like a million of zones on a chart, because then it doesn't make any sense to show you, you know, like everyone can draw like support and resistance, and obviously one of them will react most likely. So I really want to show you just one, but in this case it's a bit harder to do. In my opinion, the stronger zone instead of this one, or the more likely zone to get tapped or hit, is this one with the naked POC. 1926.6 is going to be the key zone in my opinion on gold chart, and most likely gold will be revisiting this level and tapping it again. Yo, what's up, Jan? What's up? Hello, hello. The mic is basically not clean. Are we looking at BTC? No, this is a gold chart. Should I wait for a short from 1946 on gold? There is unfilled imbalance. I think that we can hit the chart all the way up to 1946 again. I can be, you know, like, one thing that you gotta keep in mind is just like we are playing a game of probabilities. I have one plan, you could have a completely different plan. In my opinion, gold is coming down from the point where we are right now. So 1926 could be the level that we're gonna tap, and then coming all the way now, all the way down again. Because like all of these levels, imbalances, whatever it is, it's fine to know about them, but there is no guarantee that you will tap it, you will hit it, and the price will reverse. That is a very important thing that you gotta keep in mind. Alright, so that's about it on gold. Let's check BTC. BTC, as you can see, it's pretty damn choppy. I was looking for a short. I closed it around the break even. I think it's going to be visible on the MyFXBook again. So it's going to be this Bitcoin trade. Profit $11. So I can buy a coffee with that. That's amazing. But yeah. Oh, you guys can see even withdrawals here. Not a withdrawal. Okay. Right, great. So yeah, like I was closing the trade in around the break even, we can say. BTC, like here in this case, once again, pretty choppy to say. You are definitely paying attention to this zone that is currently holding the Bitcoin price. What we want to do, we want to analyze this move to the upside. That's going to be very important for us, because we want to know if we are getting more longs or shorts. I have a bias, or I think you shouldn't have a bias at all, but I think from what I was checking on Friday is that we are getting more longs than shorts, which means we could potentially go all the way down again to wreck them all. So if you pull another profile, the measure tool, like this, 64 million CVD with 51 million open interest going up. Bitcoin is a bit more bearish in my opinion. I will be looking for a move down too on BTC. Honestly, from what I see on the charts now, I'm pretty upset that I'm leaving. It's every time just like when I'm ready 100% to trade, you get like zero opportunities, no trades, no setups. Then literally after 3 months of sitting in front of a chart all day long, I'm leaving for 2 days and we are getting so many opportunities. But I said to myself, I'm coming with my girlfriend, and I said to myself that, or we set a rule that we will turn off the phones and we will just turn off completely. You know, sometimes it's good to do so, I believe. But here, what I see on the chart, it's I would rather be home and ready to trade. But anyway, plenty of liquidity below the lows here. It's gonna be swept from the market. Eventually, it's gonna get swept. Remember my words. This liquidity level, it's gonna be touched because I don't believe that they will let all of the longs make money. Basically, no. It's definitely more likely before coming any higher, if we will come any higher, they will go down and they will try to sweep them out. You are getting also liquidity above it, but not plenty of it. Instead of liquidity here, I will be paying attention, or I would be paying attention to the demand, or sorry, to the supply level that you got up here. This could potentially be a zone that could be tapped before coming any lower. But yeah, Bitcoin is definitely more bearish in my opinion. I will be looking for a move down. You are definitely wondering where, what is the level? Well, this is gonna be the first stop. Mitigated, not gonna be a stop again. This is gonna be the next stop, but overall, I will be looking all the way down to around 25,000. But it really depends how the chart is going to react. Like, if you are willing to short, trade that I will be looking for is going to be either sweeping the highs here, where there is not plenty of liquidity, so you want to see absorption. But basically looking for something like this. Potentially to around this level here. Oh yes, the link is shared even in a Billions Club. I don't trade GBP USD. I can quickly check it, but I won't do like in-depth TA. Because I'm always saying like trade maximum 3 pairs. If you will be trading 10 pairs, every pair acts a bit different. So I don't want to be giving you like TA is just a very small part of the game. It's all about the routine, it's all about the psychology and so on. So I don't trade GU, and I don't really want to be giving you any plan or any bias, since I just don't know the pair at all, honestly. I will be you know, this is the thing. Now I'm gonna be giving you bias, but I will be looking for a move up on GBP USD to around here, then potentially looking for a next move down from what I see. Yes, that's it. That's basically it. No, it's just the closed ones. I set it to private, the active ones, so you won't be able to copy me. You know, I have my own course where you get access to a group also, and I don't want to be doing single group because I'm not getting anything from that. You are profiting from my trades and from my hard work. That's just not how it works in the world. So if you want to be copying my trades, you can join my group. I will send you a link. And here I'm showing my strategy course where I'm explaining from basically A to Z how I trade, tools I use, and also I'm posting the entries. Oh, like these guys, they are pretending to be me. How can I ban them? I will... Oh, nice. Silver is amazing trader, yeah. Then you are getting my entries, basically. Do you think all I need to trade gold is supply and demand? No, like, you need plenty of experience with market structure. That will be the king, or that is the king. I'm getting so many... Market structure is the king, absolutely. And yes, supply and demand is very, very good. It's just like you gotta pick a correct level, which I see a lot of people picking wrong levels. I will be doing videos about my system to supply and demand. I'm not saying that I have the best system or bulletproof system or whatever it is, but I have a strategy and it works, as you can see right here. This month was very good. Basically this month we made 15%. Let's do a recap, guys, and let's also check news. Oh. You can be... I have the trade copier here. I can do a video about it, but we do not allow copying the trades from other prop firm to billions club, so you can be copying your main account to other accounts, let's say this way. Oh, we are getting the GDP and the unemployment claims on Thursday and Friday. You are getting the... I don't even know what's this actually, but then we are getting FOMC member William speaks. I'm not really paying too much attention to the FA, but definitely be aware of the news that are coming out to the market. Let's do a recap. Let's do a recap. So gold... If I move down to around, it's gonna be 1913-ish, let's say. $1923, 1923 is the losing the 1923 is the first level that is confirming the bearish bias. Local resistance is gonna be around 1926.5. Also an LQ sweep potential from this level. Alright, so this is the plan on gold. I'll definitely send a recap to the Discord after the stream. Overall here on EU, I'm bullish from the start. Oh, 0676 has a potential AQ sweep and move down to the range low. If price close Oh, 693. Oops. Bitcoin is also bearish. Alright, cool. $24, $25,200 is the overall target on the chart. Alrighty, cool, we got a plan. No, we are posting, I'm posting TA. I'm posting TA to the Jan channel. You should check Jan channel here, it's always in English. And here are my trades plan, as you can see here. When I enter, I'm short on BTC, looking for something like this. This is where you will find the plan, it's in English. There is no Czech language. Yeah, I traded breakout strategy and I've never made money with it, let's say it this way. Yes, it was useful and I journal all my trades still nowadays. So I'm using Notion, I can show you. Oh, I don't have the Notion here. But yeah, we can do a video about how I journal my trades and show you my journaling, not a problem with that. Anyway guys, or you can use one other thing, which is trades. I'm all logged in. Or you can use our journal. No, I'm not logged in. Anyway, I will show you on the next stream. I also use TradeJar to analyze my trades. That's about it for today. I will definitely post like a recap of the whole stream to the Discord, so you'll be able to check my levels and so on. Thank you so much for your time, and sorry for the problem with the sound and also with the time settings today. Be patient with us, it can happen. That's it. See you on Wednesday. I will be doing a stream on Wednesday, some live trading. You will potentially be getting into some positions, so don't forget to join. You can buy a Billions Cup Challenge with the code September, which will give you 20% off, I believe. Oh, can you see me now? Yeah, I can share a link to my Notion. I can share in my dashboard. Not a problem with that. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much, and see you on Wednesday.